Here's a clear, simple, and closely rephrased version of your script, keeping it easy to follow and to the point. Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, I'll show you how to fix laptop screen flickering or lines on your display. First, open Task Manager by typing it in the search bar and selecting it. Check your screen carefully. If the Task Manager also flickers, the problem is likely your graphics driver. Next, type Device Manager in the search bar and open it. Go to Display Adapters and click the arrow to expand it. You'll see your drivers listed, like Intel, AMD, or Nvidia. To fix the issue, you can roll back the drivers. Right-click the driver, select Properties, go to the Driver tab, and click Roll Back Driver. You can also update the drivers. Right-click, choose Update Driver, and select Search Automatically for drivers. Do this for all display drivers listed, then restart your laptop. This should fix the flickering or lines on your screen. If this guide helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more easy and practical tech tips. Thanks for watching.